Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on SLP token. SLP token is still struggling to break out the resistance of this huge falling wedge pattern. And on the 4-hour time frame chart, after breaking out this descending triangle, now there is a formation of another descending triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of SLP token that I shared with my members. And that was a formation of a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that SLP token has completed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line started a reversal move from here, went very close to hit the sell target zone, but could not reach here, and again moved down. We had another small pump, but the price line is still moving in this potential reversal zone, and I'm expecting that soon it can start a proper rally to hit this sell target zone. Now, if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, then this is the real move that we are all waiting for, and that is break out from this huge down trend line resistance. You can see we found this resistance back in July 2021, and now it's more than a year. SLP token is still not able to break out this resistance. Now it is struggling again to break out the resistance of this wedge, and you can see we had a few touch points at the support as well. And obviously we are testing the resistance more than the support, and the more we test the resistance, the more there are chances for the breakout. And this pattern of falling wedge pattern is also considered as a bullish bias, and you can see that the movement is now quite squeezed. Therefore, there is a very high probability that now the price line may break out the resistance. And after breaking out this resistance, our next key resistance will be here at $0.0071. And you can see for the past several weeks or months, it is working as a strong resistance for the price, and we will also need to break out that resistance as well. Now, if we take a look at this 4-hour time frame chart, then previously we were following this descending triangle, and finally SLP token broke out the resistance, and our expected move was here at $0.00375, but we had a rally beyond this target. And during this move now, SLP has formed another descending triangle on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now, for example, if it breaks out the resistance of this triangle as well, then our target to the upside after this breakout, we can expect here that will be at $0.00398. And after breaking out this descending triangle, there will be a very high probability, even certainly it will break out this very long-term down trend line resistance on the weekly time frame chart as well, resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And by the way, the target for this falling wedge pattern, once it will be able to break it out, will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 35 to 36 cents. And you can see that within next few hours, this weekly candlestick will be closed and the next candlestick will be open. Therefore, if this candlestick closes above the resistance and the next candlestick opens above this resistance, then there will be a very high probability that soon we will have this mega pump started, and then it can break out all other resistance levels. By the way, our next resistance after this resistance will be here. That will be also another strong resistance at 1 cent, then at 3 cents, and then at 6 cents. These are the major support and resistance levels on the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.